Hey guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove radio on this 2020 Hyundai ELANTRA. And that's the tools that we're gonna need: Phillips head and flat head. Step number 1: remove side covers on both of the side of your car. So gently pull that cover. There is a bolt on both sides. Remove that bolt. Remove that. Start to pull the trim. Very simple, very gently. There is some clips, so remove that clip. Same thing on the other side. Same thing on the other side. Remove that cover. Remove that bolt, Phillips head. Gently pull that trim out, very gently. All right. Now, step number 2. Remove that cover and cluster cover, where it's gonna be hard. So start to pull that cover from here and just disassemble. And then this part, this is hard part. I start to pull it from the bottom. I pull the bottom first, then I pull the top. First time it's gonna be hard, guys. So remove that piece. As you can see, there is clips. Be very gentle. Remove that piece. Okay, now remove 2 bolts on the bottom of your vent cover, 1 and 2. Remove those bolts, and now start gently to pull your vent out. Very gentle, guys. 1. Oh, it's come out very easily because I'm doing this second time. As you can see, I broke that clip. So remove that cover. I hope you can see 1 clip, few on top clips on the side. So remove that cover, and now you can start to remove your radio bolts. There is 4 bolts, 2 and 2.
So remove those 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3.
And that's it, guys. And now you can pull the radio out. There is few clips also. Just remove your connectors, and that's it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, comment what else should I record next about this car, and like this video, please. Thank you, guys, and bye.